Hey guys, today we're gonna install the most beautiful Windows air conditioner. I waited so long to get this window air conditioner and the most techful window air conditioner. But let's see what include with the window air conditioner. But we got a beautiful design remote control. I love this remote control. This design is perfect. And what included inside the box for installation? For installation, we got the bracket and we got screw, we got the window sill, and we got the gap. We got the mold to cover the gap. And what we're gonna need for installation, we're gonna need the drill bit, we're gonna need a pencil, we're gonna need a level, we're gonna need a screwdriver, and the screw included inside the box. Right now, we're gonna make a quick installation. After that, we're gonna talk about the technology inside this window air conditioner. To install Midea Windows U-shaped air conditioner, first what you need to take the measurement of your window. For example, my window is 30.5, and I'm supposed to find the center of my window and mark the center of my window. Okay, I'm gonna mark center. I got a 15 and 1/4 is over here. Okay, this is the center my window. Okay, for the bracket we're gonna see include with two pieces. If your window 24 to 26 inches, you're gonna use this. In case my windows is 30 inch, I'm gonna use the longer piece. If you got a flat window, we're gonna use this piece and the center when you mark for your window. Me, I don't want flat window. I'm not gonna use this piece. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna connect this one over here. I'm gonna pull, and I'm gonna pull over here too. Okay. Make sure it's fit. Okay. Make sure when you place the bracket, you see the bubble, make sure the bubble it's level, and each adapt the number. We got a number 15 over here, we got number 15 over here to make sure it's equal. And another way you can look at it too, make sure the bubble it's level. Next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna use two screws and the drill. You make sure you drill each. Okay, right now I'm finished. Put those two screws. I'm ready to put the air conditioner on. make sure for the mold, you take the measurement and you cut it exactly the measure you want. Okay, the window installation is completely finished. Let's check. Right now, I can open and close the window wherever I want. But that's good. That's very quick installation.